Alright, today we are installing a ventilation fan, but it's not going to be that simple. Let me show you the challenges. First, the wall doesn't have a frame, and the side and the upper section where the fan should be mounted on are too shallow. So here is the plan. I have built a wooden frame like this, and mounted directly onto the surface of the wall. This frame is bolted on the upper side above the window's opening. That way it creates extra depth for the fan to slot in securely, as you can see later. So now we can finally slot in the fan into the frame like this. Everything is aligned, tightened, and sitting securely. Moment of truth, let's test it. Perfect. The fan is running smoothly and not wobbly, and the installation is complete despite the tricky setup. And that's how you solve problems when the wall isn't ready for mounting. If you feel this video is useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.